Hey, what's up, everybody? Today I'm gonna do a free course on topic 1. Basically, this is a free course that is on my channel. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, and leave a thumbs up to this video if you like it. So before we get started, I'm gonna let you know what is this topic about. So this is topic 1. It is getting started on Binance, and after that we are gonna talk about how can you set up an account, your security, and after that the fees that Binance is charging. And of course, I'm going to go more in depth on this tutorial, talking about what is Binance totally all about. So let's get started. So if you are unfamiliar with Binance or you are not into cryptocurrency and you are looking to get into cryptocurrency and you do not know how to, and after that you went online and yeah, basically you're skeptical, and after that you do not really know how does everything works, so you want to like find a tutorial, and after that maybe on Udemy you found like courses like how to get started with cryptocurrency and stuff like this, but you have to pay for the course. So maybe the course is going to cost you from $20 all the way to $200. You never know how much it is. So basically, on my channel, I would like to give free contents, and after that, I believe that free content knowledge should be free, and after that should be passed on to people. Therefore, this is the introduction about Binance. So for Binance, what is Binance all about? It's basically a cryptocurrency exchange that has lots of services. And over here, on the website itself, you can see they have an exchange, academy, broker, charity, and they of course have some cloud services. And after that, decentralized exchange, a labs, a launchpad, research, and they have their own, I would say, hot wallet which you can use on your mobile, and you are entitled to, you own your private keys over there. And after that, over here you can buy cryptocurrency with lots of option, selecting from all your whichever currency you're having. So they have quite a lot of currency. So I'm based in Singapore, and after that they do accept Singapore dollars, and it is very cool. So if you are in the United States or wherever it is, let's say if you're in the US, you are not able to use this Binance Global. Instead, you have to use the Binance.us. So I also am going to leave a link down below. But how does the whole platform works? In a nutshell, it is similar. And after that, yeah, we are going to talk about more in on setting your account. So we are done with the introduction, and right now we are going to talk about the setting up an account and of course your security. So give me a moment. Right, so we are going to talk about setting up your account. So if you scroll down to the video, this video description, you will see a link signing up on Binance. Just click on it, and after that you will be redirected to this page over here, and after that you will see the referral ID, which is mine. And after that, for giving out this free course, I would like you to use my referral link down below. And after that, yeah, upon signing up, you will get a commission kickback rate at 5%. And after that, to support the channel and keep these free courses coming in, and after that over here, you will need to set up an account. So you can either choose from your email. You can sign up with your email address, if not a mobile, and after that you have to put in your email address, and after that over here it's going to show you you have to enter a password. And yeah, basically there's a strength over here. So I would say for your security wise, you need to set up a very strong password. So you can see this is a very weak password with some yeah, basically how to make a strong password. It is very simple. Just enter whatever you can memorize, and after that something unique to you. And of course, what I would say is you do not of course you can't really go and remember all the characters and symbols on the keyboard. Therefore, I would say the easiest way for me to remember is using yeah, basically weak is spelled as WEAK. So I changed the E to 3, and after that the A to add the number 2. Just click on the shift and add, and after that it's going to show you this password over here. So I'm going to set a legit password for myself now. And after that, just click on create an account, and you will do this slider. And once you're done with it, it is going to send the email to your account. And after that, from there, you're able to verify. So you will need to head over to your email address, and after that, you will get a code. So this is the code, something like this. So I'm going to show it to you. So over here, you will receive a format, something showing you about this. So to confirm your registration, input this number over here, and over here let's input it, and after that, I'm gonna show you the process. Oops. So you will see a success after you have created an account. So once you are over here, it's gonna tell you, welcome to Binance. Here's the few that you can get started with, and after that, we are gonna talk more about it. So we are gonna talk about the security first. Over here on the account and setting up your account. So you need to head over to the dashboard. And once you're on your dashboard, you will be prompted to verify. For your security, you are able to, because your account security is very low, and after that, it is advisable to enable both options. So the phone verification, you have to enter your own phone number and you'll receive a one-time PIN over here, and you will need to basically enter your phone number. So example is this example, and after that, from there, click on send. You'll receive a code, and after that, you enter it. And after that, you will need to head over to your email address. You need to click on the send code, and after that, the code is going to be sent to your email address. And once you have received the code, just enter the code over here. And after that, click on submit. And once you have submitted your on the security on your mobile number, the next step you need to do is over here, just click on security. And I will suggest you to enable the Google authentication. So once you have enabled it, let's click on it and it's going to show you. So you need to enter the code over here. So I'm going to use my software over here, and I'm going to show it to you. So I'm going to enter the code that's given. And after that, you add on it. If not, you have your mobile, you can use your mobile to enable this 2FA. And after that, over here, just choose any. And after that, I'm going to name it as Binance tutorial, and I click on save and search on it. Here it's going to show me Binance tutorial. Just copy and click on next. You will need to back up this key, and after that, it's going to take 7 days to process. If let's say you lost this authenticator over here, if this authenticator is lost, and after that you cannot find, or like let's say your phone got wiped out, and in cases like this, or basically like your mobile phone is stolen and you do not have a backup of this code over here, it is basically if you want to reset it, you will need to save this code over here. Just save it, and after that click on next, and after that you need to send an email address, the verification code, and after that, and on your Google verification, just enter the number here. So for binding the 2FA, you will need your email address, and after that, the code that is given. Click on submit, and after that, voila, you're done. And after that, over here, over here, you need to verify your identity. So once you have verified your identity, there's lots of things you can do on Binance, like peer-to-peer trading, and after that, using your debit card and buy and stuff like this. So I was for your security wise, enable your Google authentication, your SMS authentication. So let's say you do not have your Google authentication with you, or let's say if you're overseas and after that you can't receive SMS, Google authentication is the second option, or I would say the first layer for you to get into your account. And after that, over here you can manage your device as well, and your login password you can change it. And over here, the anti-phishing code, I will recommend you to enable it. So it is gonna show you something like this. What is an anti-phishing code? It is basically it is an email address that's going to be sent to you, and after that it's going to show you the anti-phishing code, and basically it's a unique one. So over here you have to put in your own phishing code. So I'm going to put something like that. So I click on submit, and I will need to use my Google Authenticator and submit this request, and after that it's going to show me this has been done, and it will be something like that. So from now onwards, if you're gonna receive any email from Binance, you will see this anti-phishing code to verify that this is really from Binance. And of course, what I want to suggest to you is you have to, basically over here you will see anti-phishing code, and of course this is just one layer for you to check on the security, and the second layer is to check who's the sender from. Please note that from Binance, it's going to be do not reply at post.binance.com, but some professional hackers out there, or I would say phishers, they are able to basically spoof this, and after that make it exactly the same as Binance. Therefore, I would say do not get tricked and stuff like that. And of course, if you receive any email stating that if your account has been compromised, or let's say you receive $1,000, click on this link, and after that to claim it, I will say it is totally not from Binance, because you are not able to claim anything from email address. So do not click on any link if you receive any phishing email. So once you are done with it, once let's say you have set up all the security, and after that for the address management, I would say let's say if you are into cryptocurrency space or you do not have a wallet, what I advise is using their wallet that they provide is the Trust Wallet. So once you have set up the Trust Wallet, you will be able to, you will get prompted with your 12 or 24 phrase keyword, and once you have the words, and after that you will be generated a Bitcoin address, Ethereum address, and all over address, a lot of address that they are supporting. Just enable the whitelist, and after that you can basically, even though if let's say your account get hacked or something, if they try to withdraw any funds from your account, they are not able to do so because of this address management, which you can basically save all the address that is been saved by you manually. If let's say you're gonna do a withdrawal request in the future, and it will, let's say if you put in 2 address for Bitcoin, you can only choose 2 address from the address management. So you have to enable the whitelisting, the whitelist, and basically once you enable it, you're good to go. And after that, your security will be, I would say, 4 out of 4 if you enable 2FA, verify your identity, and after that enable the phishing code, and of course turn on the withdrawal whitelist, and after that I would say your account, it is nearly impossible to hack, I would say, and your funds will be safe, provided that Binance provide a very good security on their end. So I would say basically Binance is the largest exchange in the cryptocurrency space, and basically they have no issues about cybersecurity. They take it very seriously. So we are gonna move on to the next step on getting on the next topic, which is the setting up how do you deposit funds. So over here, let's say we are going to talk about depositing funds. Just head over to the Binance, and you will see the wallet tab. Just click on it, and over here you will see fiat and spot. So over here, let's say you do not own any cryptocurrency, and after that you do not know how to buy cryptocurrency. Over here you can deposit, let's say if you have a cryptocurrency wallet, you can send in coins over here just by clicking on the deposit button, choosing. You can choose from all the coins that they are providing. Right now they're having a maintenance, therefore I am unable to show you on what is the address gonna look like and something like that. So it is very simple. If you, let's say you have any cryptocurrency, you can send a cryptocurrency from external place, from your wallet or whatsoever exchange that you are currently using, onto Binance. And of course, let's say if you want to deposit fiat, you can do it as well. So over here you can see, let's say you're going to do Singapore dollars, I do not know. Basically they do not support Singapore dollars for fiat deposit. So they support Brazilian real, euros, pound sterling, and after that many coins, many currencies over here. So the most famous one I would say is US dollar. So you can deposit US dollar onto Binance directly, and after that it's going to show you the payment details, which is the bank account and stuff like this. Once you have submitted the request, you are able to basically deposit US dollars onto Binance, and after that from there you are able to trade with the platform itself. And it's gonna be on the next tutorial and stuff like this. So the last topic that I want to talk about is the fee schedule, which is how much they are charging in fees, trading fees and stuff like this. And I would say over here you can see on this page itself, once you have an account, just scroll down all the way and you will see over here there's a fee. Just click on it, and after that you will be prompted to this page, and it is going to tell you your account's detail. And currently right now this account has no trading activities, and after that the VIP is at 0. You can see there's no spot trading volume, no futures volume, no Binance balance. So over here on default, the trading fee, they will enable this use BNB deduction for 25% discount, but I would not recommend you to do it because BNB itself, it is like a stock. I would say if you want to buy BNB, you are basically buying onto Binance exchange company, this company. So I would say that using BNB to deduct for your fee, it is quite wasteful, I would say. You can just hold on to the BNB that they are offering to for future growth and stuff like this. So over here we are going to talk about the fees. So on trading fee itself, for Binance, whatever you do, the maker and the taker, basically we are going to talk about it on the trading video. So on a explanation over here, if your trading volume is less than 50, it is going to be VIP 1. And let's say if you're going to trade more than 50 Bitcoin, you will get into VIP 1, but you will also need to own at least 50 BNB in order to get a discounted rate of 0.9, and after that 0.1 is the basics, and so on and so forth. So basically this is talking about the fees, and yeah, basically the fee is very simple to understand. And for margin borrow interest, yeah, basically all these coins that they're offering, you can borrow the coins and after that use it for your trades and you can make profits out of it. There's lots of coins that they're offering for margin trading, and after that each one of them comes with fee, and after that the leverage trading futures 0.02, and taker is 0.04. And for coin the fundings over here, futures trading fee rate for coin M. Basically what is coin M? It is the coin margin. Basically you are using, let's say you're gonna leverage trade on Bitcoin. Yeah, basically you need to have Bitcoin to leverage trade, and after that the fees you can see for maker is slightly cheaper and for taker is around 0.04. The deposit, okay, let's talk about the deposit and withdrawal fees. So over here, the withdrawal fees itself, most of all the coins that they're offering for deposit, it is totally free. So you can see we scroll down, there's lots of coins that Binance is offering and the deposit is always free. Just like the withdrawal, you have to see which coin you're gonna like withdraw. So let's talk about the big one, Bitcoin. So for Bitcoin itself, you can see that on the Bitcoin network itself, there is the normal Bitcoin network, the BEP2, BEP20, which is on the Binance chain, and after that URC20 on the Ethereum, and Bitcoin is a Segway. And after that over here you can see the first column is the minimum withdrawal and the last column is the withdrawal fee. So over here you can see the minimum to withdraw is this amount over here as stated, and the withdrawal fee is going to be like this depending on which network you're going to send it to. And of course you must understand how does everything work before you try to like withdraw any funds. If not, you are just sending money out to nobody, and after that you do not know who is the recipient and stuff like this, you will lose your funds. So for the US Tether over here, let's say you are trading and you want to remove some stable coin, I would say the BEP is the cheapest. No, the TRC20 token, TRC20 network, which is on the TRX network, the withdrawal fee is free, and after that the minimum is $1, and for the Omni it is 44 and the fee is 22. The minimum withdrawal for the ERC20 is 24 and the fee is $12, which is very expensive because of the Ethereum network fees right now. So over here we are basically done with this tutorial. So if you like the tutorial, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification and leave a thumbs up to this video, and you can click on the playlist to watch the next video, and of course see you on the next tutorial. Peace.